Hi guys, welcome back to Genetics Creations. I just wanted to do a quick yarn review on this fantastic yarn that I stumbled across in Michael's. It has probably been out for a while, but I will tell you I have gotten a lot of yarn through a lot of other sources lately that I haven't needed to shop lately, and I miss it. I miss trying out the new things. This was on sale. I tried the Caron Blossom Cakes yarn. The one that I got is that grayish one. Hopefully you guys can see it, but it is available. This yarn is available in a lot of different colors. This is the charcoal one. Here's a few reasons that I picked this yarn, and while I talk, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the other colors that are available. I am showing you on the Michael's website. I'm not picking that website for any reason other than I just happened to buy it there because there happens to be a Michael's near me. However, I know you can get this at different sites, so please feel free to take advantage of wherever you guys buy, because I know everyone signs up for reward programs and things like that to save money, but I just know Michael's tends to do really good. I get a lot of discounts through them and it works great for me. But here's why I tried this yarn. There's a few different reasons. One, I love the way the color changes. When it comes to variegated yarn, I don't like it when the colors shift too quickly. And the only reason why is because when you're doing these long rows and you've got colors switching very harshly, very quickly, you lose the art of it transitioning over time, and it can start looking kind of choppy. And while that can work for certain projects, for most of what I do, I just don't really like the way it plays out. So this one, it'll change, as you can see, gradually, and it's a subtle change, so as it works over the piece, it looks really good. I know this is not a finished project yet, but I can show you a little bit of how the transitions look, and because it changes, these are very long rows because I'm working horizontally this way. This is Tunisian crochet, so it might look a little different to a lot of standard crocheters, but you can see, I'll try to get a little bit closer, how the rows, it changes gradually. So you get a nice soft blend from the whites to the grays versus it being harsh where it's white this row and it's gray the next row and whatnot and whatnot. So that's one thing that I love about this yarn. The other thing I love, guys, if you're a beginner or if you struggle with splitting your yarn, some hooks can be a little more prone to it. Some yarns can be more prone to it. If you don't know what splitting your yarn is, it's when your hook goes through part of the strand and it might pick up like a section of it, but it won't pick up the whole strand. Usually you have 4 ply, you might pick up one of the plies, or you might just, if it's just multiple strands are unwoven or unspun, it can be easier to grab part of the strand and not the whole strand. This yarn, it's almost impossible to split. I'm going to do a close-up and try to get you to see the texture of this. And I'll take some pictures and post that as well, but you'll see that it's almost like multiple threads that are woven in very finely, and it's what actually prevents the yarn from splitting as much. So if you're going quickly, it can be very easy to make sure that you are grabbing the entire strand the whole time. You're not gonna struggle with splitting. And it can also clean up your stitches because it does minimize some of the pilling, and you can see all that texture coming through for each of these stitches, and it just keeps everything really clean, so you really get to see the intricacy of your work. So guys, take a look at everything that this yarn has to offer. Try a few of them. It's pretty reasonably priced. I know it's been going on sale quite a bit, so it's been very easy to get good bang for your buck. And otherwise, if you guys don't know where to get it from, check out Michael's. Michael's has a great reward program. I'll throw some information in the comments below and give you some links on how you can get it directly and save some money that way. Joann's is a great one as well. I'm gonna throw that information at the bottom. So check out the comments. There'll be ways that you guys can save some money so we can all keep stitching and stay addicted to yarn. Guys, I'll see you in the next video. If you guys have any other yarns that I should be trying out, or you think that we can do a review on to get more information for everyone out there and all my fellow stitchers, please keep me posted, comment below. I do reply to every single one of you. Guys, I'll see you in the next video. Keep stitching.